Humanity turned away from God, and the earth was filled with corruption. So God judged the world with a mighty flood. Yet in his mercy, God saved Noah and his family. When the waters receded, hope appeared once more. And God made a covenant, sealing his promise with a rainbow. From Noah's sons, the nations began to spread across the earth. But united by one language, mankind grew proud. They sought to build a tower that reached the heavens. So God confused their language and scattered them across the earth. From the flood to Babel, a story of judgment, mercy, and God's purpose.